ask you, why education? Why are all getting educated? Because education gives us competence, education gives us confidence, education gives us creativity. That's why all of us getting educated. The philosophy of education in India, in a phased manner, is the possesses access. That means education should be available to every person, even is a poor or rich or a physically disabled or a woman, anybody, education should be made available. That is the philosophy of the Government of India. Inclusiveness, that means under sections of privileged section of society, we cannot afford education. For them, Government of India has to provide education. Third one is quality and relevance. Whatever we study, that should be useful to society at large. Society should be benefit out of education. So these are three important philosophies of the Government of India, thereby education. But government alone cannot provide education to the so many large segments of society. Today, we have between age group of 18 and 23 years, in India, 55 million children are there. That means about 5.5 crores. Out of that, only 1 crore children are coming to the higher education and technical education. Other students are not coming for various reasons. So if we take various universities across the world, USA, we have 3,600 universities. Japan, we have 2,800 universities. China, we have 2,200 universities. India, it's a big country, talented country, but we have only 430 universities. So we have our education enrollment, universities, technical education is only 11 to 12%, but world average is 29%. Developed countries is about more than 57%. So we are lagging behind providing education to the children. So it's worry on behalf of the government. Government alone cannot provide education to all the needy people. That's why private players are coming to play. Today in Andhra Pradesh, only 2% of this education is provided by the government, 98% provided by the private players. Like Usha Kiran, who is a distinguished alumna of Osmania University, he belongs to Khammam. He has set up a series of education institutions. It is doing a human service to the many people. If it is not possible to establish institutions like this, so many thousands of children, they could not have studied either graduation or engineering program or pharmacy or even matter of postgrad programs. So it is the private players. There are very good people who are committed to society, serve society. There may be some bad element, doesn't mean that all are bad. So there are people we should appreciate who are doing service to the society. Today, technology rapidly changing. Every 6 months technology is changing, particularly computer science and electronics. We have seen 1970, very big computers occupying large space. 1980, desktop computers have come on table. 1980, we have seen client server. 2000, global networking. Entire globe is connected. If you want to make a reservation today morning, we have a breakfast at Tokyo, then lunch you can go to London, then evening tea you can go to New York and come back to the India by dinner time. This is all possible because of technology. The entire globe is networked. Today, internet technology is the greatest technology. Information technology. Technology is changing. Mobile communication technology. Everybody using, even rural areas, uneducated person use a mobile phone. Everywhere there is small chip is there. In mobile phone, in a television, in a computer, every electronic gadgets. There is a chip is there, small chip. Making a small chip, India is the greatest country. We have so much talented youth, but we are not able to make the chip here. Small countries like Korea, not even equal to Khammam district, they have a skill base of 86%. Whereas India, with a enormous education, number of PhDs and Tech, we have skill base is only 12%. We are lagging far behind in skill. So skill is most important. Today we are giving engineering education from JNT University. Private players are providing instruction. JNT University revised the curricula, need-based, industry-based, up-to-date, state-of-art curriculum is given. but there should be faculty also should be available to teach this curriculum. They provided a number of electives, but the teachers are not there. They required highly competent and qualified faculty. They required particular teaching engineering subjects. Getting a job is not an issue at all. If you have a skill, people come to your house. You don't have to go to anybody. But that much confidence you have to build. Unless skill is there, why should they give job to you? When they give job to you, they expect that you perform something. Your problem solving ability, your communication skills, your teamwork, your attitude, your behavior, your group, and also your dedication, commitment, sincerity, honesty, everything is required. Otherwise, why they will give job to you? So you should introspect yourself. What is lacking in you? Accordingly, you need to do that. What is required in engineers is goal setting important. Our guest of honor, Rana Ms. Kranti Rana mentioned, isn't it? What is required is your goal setting important. What do you want to do in the life? Not simply getting degree, getting married, buy a house, have a children, isn't it? Everybody does. What is the great in that? We have to achieve something in the society. Here, whatever you develop technology should be useful to the people at large. We have 23% people are poor, very below poverty line. For them, we have to give them food, shelter, clothing. Your technology should enable them to come up in the life. We have to develop something unique in this world. Your goal setting important. When you join in LKG, nursery class, they have taught you A, B, C, D. Isn't it? Alphabets they have taught you. What A meant for? A is for aiming, ambition. I want to do something in life. Second is achievement. Third one is accomplishment. That is meant for A. B is what? Beauty. Beauty of life. Enjoy life. Passion for creative life. Isn't it? Lifespan is very limited. God has given a gift to your birth on this earth. Make use of this time. Do something great for this country. Beauty is important. Behavior. Your behavior is very important. Everybody is watching you. You are in a 60 in a classroom. You don't make friends with all of them. You make friends with only few of them. Why? Because their attitude, their behavior, your attitude, your behavior is matching with them. That's why we are making friends with them. So beauty, behavior, body language. Body language is very important when you want to get a job. Similarly, you should have respect for elders. Respect your parents, respect for teachers. Always respect elders because you gain so much from them. Even uneducated elder is there, you get teaching from them. You learn closely. Always you have aptitude for listening. Always listen to the people. You get everything from them. Make a habit of listening to others. Isn't it? What is C? C, I told you, competence, confidence and creativity. If you have confidence, you can do wonders in this world. That confidence will come only when you know the subject. Isn't it? What is D? D is for discipline. D is for dedication. D is for determination. You should have discipline is most important. Without discipline, nothing can be done. Discipline, dedication, determination. These are A, B, C, D. If you can fulfill all A, B, C, D, you will be a success person in life. Success like a tail. If you are running, your tail also running with you. So that means you require to work hard. Use the technology. Technology enabler. Technology is only tool. Like your toothbrush, like your mobile phone. Anything, it's a technology tool. Use the tool for betterment of your learning capacity. Learning is most important. Learning happens only in the college days. Once you join a job, you are focused on a particular subject. You can't learn everything. So college days, 4 years time, you learn many things. 25% you learn from teachers. Others you have used the technology, digital library, journals, reference books, talking to your teachers, talking to your friends, reading yourself, getting into latest technologies. All this is very important, isn't it? Small chip, 3 to 5 millions of transistors could be impregnated in a small chip where you are using a mobile phone. Why you are not able to do in our country? We can design. Our students are very good. Our engineers are very good. We have design capability. Today, 23% scientists in the world are from India. 25% IT specialists are from India. Today, when you travel across Europe or USA, the Indians mean they think that you are scientists or information technology. or a professional, isn't it? Earlier we didn't have any respect worldwide, but today we are respected everywhere. If you travel across Europe, every airport, if you see Indian, they respect. That is because our hard work, sincerity. Our students are very good. They have a talent. They have our innovation, creativity, but they do outside the country, not within the country. That is because we didn't have conducive atmosphere for them to excel in our country. We need to create such facility, I am sure. So I am a strong believer, God has a given gift for every human being a talent. Every one of you have a talent. Identify your talent, pursue rigorously, definitely will be able to succeed. I am sure, definitely whatever inputs you have provided, the Vijaya Engineering College is great. I congratulate the students. First batch of students are coming out of this Vijaya Engineering College. I was told that already 30 placements are there. Many of them also will get placement, nothing to worry. As I told you, is improve your skills in between. Have your confidence in yourself, then definitely you are able to succeed. We are going to organize job fairs from the university side, and also other finishing schools will be doing, isn't it? Already globally now, we have asked them to train the final year and third year students in every institution. Under JNT University Hyderabad, we have 300 engineering colleges, 100 pharmacy colleges. In the country, we have more than 3,000 plus engineering colleges. 13,65,000 students are admitted into engineering program. So competency levels are very high. We need to compete with others. Similarly, in Andhra Pradesh, we have 700 engineering colleges. About 2.75 lakh students are admitted every year. Unless some skill is there, how do you expect to get a job? So what I am trying to drive the point is, try to improve your skill, try to improve the other aspects of soft skills like personality, communication, teamwork. Yesterday, we have seen World Cup, our team has won World Cup. What is the inference you are drawing from the World Cup? That is goal setting. That means our team should win. That is the goal setting. Such an ambition of winning the cup is important. That is the goal. Number 2 is teamwork. Entire teamwork. That's why we won. Third one is nation. India should win. Isn't it? These are 3 points you are getting from yesterday's cricket. Like that, you should ambition is, you should excel yourself. You should do something for this country. You should do something for where you are born, where you serve the parents. So with these remarks, I would like to thank the Kavita Memorial Education Society, Vijaya Engineering College, Chairman, members of the society, faculty, principal, and all of you for giving the opportunity to be here. Thank you very much once again.
Thanks for your informative and inspiring speech, sir. Now I request our Secretary, Shri P. Usha Kiran Garu, to continue the program.
మొదటి బ్యాచ్ విద్యార్థులు 4 సంవత్సరాలు కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఈ కళాశాల నుండి ఫేర్వెల్ తీసుకుంటున్న సందర్భంగా ఈ 4 సంవత్సరాల కాలంలో తీపి చేదు అనుభవాలు 2 ఉండి ఉంటాయి. ఈనాటితో చేదు అనుభవాలను ఇంతటితో ఇగ్నోర్ చేసి తీపి జ్ఞాపకాలను నెమరవేసుకుంటూ ఈ ముందు జీవితంలో కూడా ఒకరినొకరు సహకరించుకుంటూ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలని, అలాగే మీకు సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎట్ ఏ గ్లాన్స్ అందజేయడం జరుగుతుంది కాలేజీ నుండి. అందులో భాగంగానే అందరి ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ వెళ్తున్న విద్యార్థులు వారికి సంబంధించిన అడ్రస్, ఫోన్ నంబర్, మెయిల్ అడ్రస్తో కలిపి ఒక పుస్తక రూపంలో అందజేయటం జరుగుతుంది. దానిని ఈ కాలేజ్ విజయోత్సవ్ 2K11 సందర్భంగా విడుదల చేయవలసిందిగా హానరబుల్